Hello, 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 traders out there. Grok Girl here with Grok Trade. I'm filling in for D7. Yes, this video is good through Wednesday, July 18th. And next in news, just so you know, next month we will be heading to Vegas. Yes, go to groktrade.com. You'll see the link at the top if you want to join us up in Vegas. It's going to be an awesome time. We're going in August. I know you were asking. No, we got it. So anyway, I thought I would totally hijack D7's computer and go through the stocks today because I totally know what I'm doing. That was total sarcasm. I have no idea. I am just learning. I am Grok Girl. I am in the learning stages. Maybe you guys can probably teach me some things, but I think D7's on his way. Sorry, guys. Anyways, nice seeing you all. I gotta go.
Nice job. Nice job. And I got a video of it of her doing that. All right, let's get busy here. Markets in mostly in bullish territory. But you have the Nasdaq down. Everybody else doing fairly well, especially financials, guys. That was a huge move. 1.6% to the upside. Crude oil up 1%. And VIX break even, but we're at 12. Really low, guys. No fear out there to speak of. Bitcoin has been on a run. We're over 7,300 now in Bitcoin, okay? So, hey, give Grok Girl some feedback in the comments. She reads them. She loves them, and she wanted to do it. I asked her. I said, do you want to get in on this video? And she goes, oh, I would love to. So she went in and prepped herself. I said, what are you doing? And she goes, I'm not a guy. Apparently, we don't fluff our hair. But anyway, let's just get busy here. All right. So the markets, nice run here on the spiders and okay, nice run here. But this is the ebb and flow. See, low, high, low, high. This is going to be looking to reverse at some point here. Be watching that. Diamonds were up, 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 up. It's looking really good. Nasdaq was down today. We go up, up, up. Yesterday started off really, really bearishly. We come up on Tuesday, and so but overall we're pretty good. But we're at a resistance point after an extended run to the upside, guys. We're just don't expect to pull back sometime fairly soon, I believe. And if you look here, we have a nice triangle right here. See this? Nice triangle. And this is on the financials, or Russell's 2000. Russell 2000, nice triangle. This dude could be ready to rock and roll to the upside. Be watching that. We already have a buy on it. And for you guys that haven't followed me before, this is the first time you've watched this. These arrows, green arrows, are my buy calls I put out there publicly. My red arrows are my sell calls that I put out there publicly for all to see. Here are the financials. The financials were on fire the last few days. So we put a buy back here on July 2nd, and we've been up, 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 up ever since. It's looking really, really good. And we had the US dollar, we're up, but look at this, how we sold into that strength here. That should bode well for the markets going into the near future. Check this out. Crude oil, I'm going to put a buy on crude oil. Tweezer bottom, and now we had a nice pop. We're above the 50-day moving average. I think our ebb and flow here, low, high, low, high. It's a news alert. And boom, that could be going higher. Gold, if you look here, we down, down, down. We broke support. We're all the way down. It looks like this could be ready to bounce too. Silver, same thing, down. I'd almost be ready to put a buy on it, but I'm looking for confirmation to the upside. VIX is just down, down, down. It wouldn't surprise me if it does pop up. Bitcoin, though, this one, I wanted to put a buy on it. I just couldn't do it back here on the 15th because I wanted to get it over 20-day moving average, and then it popped over it big time the next day. So this is Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So Monday had a nice little pop, stalled at the falling 50-day moving average, and it went higher. Pretty good. GBTC up, 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 up. Oh no. So we have a reversal pattern here. Extra bonus points for anybody who can tell me what candlestick reversal pattern this is right here. And Grok Girl's going to come like you do not know. So I'm just helping you out right now. No. Okay.
No.
Yeah. Go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Go to the chart school at freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Chart school, and that'll help you. Look for that. Extra bonus points if you have it.
Something engulfing.
No, so it's not something in golfing. Okay, so let's get looking at some stocks here. Let's go to the Dow 30, and then we're going to look at tech stocks. Dow 30 and tech stocks. We're going to do that. And just before we do, as Grok Girl was saying, we're going to be in Vegas. Go to groktrade.com. Click on Vegas Mentorship right there. I'm going to buy the airline ticket up to $500 reimbursed at the event. If you want to join us, great. Not everybody is going to be a good candidate for us. So we bring you through a gauntlet of questions to find out if you're the right person for us. And let's get going here. You know what? Yeah, so Apple. We have a nice pop there. Look at this door. Up. Had a nice run there. AXP. Let's go there. And look at this, man. American Express had a huge rally. Let me explain to you why this happened. See resistance here. We touched resistance there. We hit our head at resistance. And then yesterday, Tuesday, we broke resistance. See that? And then boom, to the upside on a huge volume. Earnings was a great catalyst to that. But what's interesting is we did break over resistance. I'm telling you guys, I always wonder who's making plays based off of inside information. And right there I see it. It's very subtle. The average person would not see that, but from time to time I see it and I talk about it on my videos. That I would be asking anybody who normally does not purchase AXP, who purchased that day, do they know any insiders there in this company? Because inside baseball is being played there. All right, Boeing, we've been going up. It looks a little top heavy. It looks like a hanging man to me. Look for that to reverse soon. Caterpillar, we're going up. Cisco, we're going down. Bearish. Just be careful with Cisco. CVX, we're down. There's a hammer time. So Chevron's going to get a buy. Disney, we're up. We're nearing resistance. Almost put a sell on it yesterday, but I'm going to stick with it for a bit. DuPont, Dow, I got a sell on it. I'll stay with my sell. GE, got a sell on it. I'll stay with my sell, but that looks like it's going to pop soon. Goldman Sachs, we're up. Goldman Sachs is looking fairly good. Home Depot, we're going up. We're at resistance, so look to sell Home Depot. IBM, we're up. A little bull pullback. That's a buy opportunity, it looks like to me, for IBM. Intel, we're up. More upside, it looks like to me. Johnson & Johnson, very, very turbulent here. Very turbulent, popped. Earnings, it did well. Stay with that. JP Morgan, we're up. Coca-Cola, see, this one bailed me out. I called it buy here and had to sit through some of this, but we're in profit territory there. McDonald's, I got to sell on it, put a buy on it. I got to put a sell on it again. What a turbulent little dude. So we're sideways. You're going to get a lot of calls that don't make sense. 3M, we're going up, but nothing exciting. Merck, we're going higher, looking good. Microsoft, up. As long as it stays above this trend line, I'm okay with it. Nike, got a buy on it. It needs to be a sell now. Big fat sell. Pfizer, we're up. Looks top heavy. Be looking to take profits. Procter & Gamble, same thing. It's a slow melt to the upside. As long as it stays above the moving averages, all is well. Travelers, boom, broke resistance here on the triangle and just heading higher. UNH, got a sell on it. Oh, it broke this trend line, but immediately came back. It gets a buy now. A buy. UTX, got a buy on it back here at 124. We're at 131 and change. Looking good. Visa, we're up and away. Verizon, gets a sell. Let's get rid of that dude. Take our profits on that. WBA. Okay, so we filled our gap. Remember this? I said I put a buy here at 64.80 and said I'll stay with it until it fills its gap, and I'm getting ready to sell it. It fills its gap. I'm going to sell that. So it did what I was hoping to. So we now have a net profit on a major loss there. And so, boom, made money on it. Walmart. We got up, hit resistance, pulled back there. Oh, it's going to drop. I'm going to take profits on Walmart, guys. So we were in Walmart at 84. We're at 88. We're 4 points on that one. Here's Exxon. So look at this. We got a buy on it. Pulls back to a support level. Look for that to go higher. Let's go to tech stocks. I know I'm going quickly, but I hope it's not too fast for you. Grok tech stocks. Go there. We already looked at Apple. AMD is next. Everybody, I mean, look at all the red. eBay was the only one in bullish territory, everyone else, but I'm going to see how many do I want to put sales on. We're nearing resistance here. We're on AMD, it's looking fine. Amazon, looking fine. Everything looks top heavy, guys. Baba, I got a sell on it. I'll stay with my sell. Baidu, got a buy on it. I'll stay with my buy. Okay, booking. I got a buy and then a sell. I got to wait for confirmation. Booking is getting ready to be a buy. Costco. Cisco. Got a sell on it. I'm good with that. Catfish. Got a buy on it. I'll stay with that. I had a sell on it. I had to turn that dude around. eBay. Got a buy on it to the upside. Facebook. Got a buy on it. Looks top heavy. Google. Got a buy on it. Google with an L. Got a buy on it. Okay. GoPro is up 1.4%, and I had a buy on it. So this is what happened. I could not put a buy on it underneath this area because it was under an area of resistance. But yesterday when it broke past it, we had to put a buy on it, and sure enough, we're up again today. Very, very interesting there. Very interesting. But anytime you go sideways, look how we have all this sideways motion. You can't trade successfully in sideways motions. Sideways motions, covered calls. Outside of that, trying to swing trade those, just kind of buy and hold as long as it stays above big time support areas, or stay away from them. You're looking for things that are trending very well and breaking resistance areas if you're long. Microsoft, we're up above that area where you looked at it. Micron. Oh, so check this out. We got a buy on it. We broke this one, but we have this one to deal with. We did break that. I'm good with this buy. Let's see what happens. Netflix had earnings under a lot of trouble. That one got down, run up. This resistance area is very, very real. Until it gets back over that, my sell is good. Nvidia, we got a buy on it, but it looks very weak to me, guys. Very weak. Oracle, too extended. Look to take profits. PayPal, we're up, high base. That could go higher. Red Hat, I got a sell on it. But look what it did today. So today it's going to get a buy. That could burn me. But Shopify was higher today. And Snap, I got a buy on it, but it hasn't really broken out yet, but I'll stay with my buy. And Twitter, last but not least, is 3% down, and look, it broke support, sell. We're going to sell that, so let's take our profits. We were in at $30. We were out at $43. Boom. Money making happening. Only reason I do these, for you guys that are trying to trade this, don't do it. I do a video Wednesday, I do one on the weekend. If you're trying to trade with me on these, you're going to get burnt. You're going to get in way too late. You're going to get out way too late. And both of them are going to cost you money. But nonetheless, you see my profits that I'm making on these. You see it firsthand. You see it in real time. And I have a past of it. The only reason we do it is not to give any sort of financial advice, because we're educators. We do that for you to trust us to do our mentoring so we can make a rock star out of you. We make savvy traders. That's what we do. And especially if you're an airline pilot, especially if you're an engineer type, especially if you're lefty, I'm telling you, if you're a lefty, airline pilot, and engineer, or if you're female and you're a business owner or higher in the food chain at your place of employment, those are the individuals that tend to be our demographic that come through our program. So there it is. I want to personally say thank you for those who left very, very kind responses to my last video. My last video, I just poured myself out there, let you know how I felt about some of the comments I had received. And I just want to say, I mean, I just love you guys. You guys who follow me and been following me, I just want to say I thank you. Just a big fat thank you. I wish I could give you a big hug right now. That I got emails and texts. I just really appreciate you all. Probably more than what you know. So that's it. I hope you are doing well and have a great rest of the week. Take care. We'll see you later. Bye.
Hi, D7. It's me, your president, Donald Trump. You never seem to take my calls. That's okay. You probably don't have a call guy. I have a call guy who takes all my calls. Anyways, great news. I went to groktrade.com to sign up for your mentoring in Vegas. Vegas, baby. I want to learn how to trade because my stock guy quit. He cannot turn my stocks upside down anymore, so they're all in the dumps. My trades are getting killed. I need to stop the bleeding. But I have a complaint. Your dates are August 18th, 19th, 20th. Do you not realize those are the hottest days of the year in Vegas? Vegas is always hot, but this is fantastically hot. It'll be so hot, we'll be sweating like a politician on election day. Get it? Get it? I don't sweat. But I really want to learn how to trade, so I got registered. It'll be great for you to have me there. Be fantastic. Mark the Meerkat and D7, you guys rock. Although I am going to mentor you on me, how to mentor me. You two have what it takes. It's great. Just want to say how lucky you are to have me in your mentoring class. You'll love it. I'm great. I'm fantastic. I'm a great student when I want to be. One more thing. I really want to know, will Grok Girl be there too? I hear she will be. Just asking for a friend. All right, guys. Have a great day. D7. Get a call guy. Talk to you soon. Bye.